Lesson 7, solving problems using Venn diagrams, part 1. Examples number 28. S and Y are two sets. The number of elements in S union Y equal to 44. The elements in S are 18 and the elements in Y are 30. How many elements are in S intersection Y? Solution. From the question, you have this, you have this, you have this, but the number of elements in the intersection, the two sets, that number is unknown. Record that for two subsets, the number of elements in their union can be expressed in this form. The union number of elements, they are 44, equal to set S 18 plus set Y 30 minus the number of elements in their intersection. You transfer this to the left side, it becomes positive. 18 plus 30 is 48. You transfer this to the right, it becomes negative, and when you subtract, you have 4. So therefore, there are 4 elements in the intersection of the two sets. Example 29. In a class of 40 students, 18 played basketball, 26 played cricket ball, and 6 are not allowed to play neither of the two games. Find how many students played, remember figure 1, both basketball and cricket ball. Remember figure 2, only basketball. Remember figure 3, only cricket ball. Solution. Let B represents basketball, C represents cricket ball. From the question, 6 students are not allowed to play neither of the two games. You have to note that. The 40 students in the class becomes the universal set, and it is the same as the union of the two subsets. And because 6 students are not allowed to play, you have to subtract it from 40. So we are dealing with 34 students. If you continue, those that played basketball, they are 18, cricket ball 26. But those that played both games were not given. That is the first part of the question. Let S represent number of those that play both games. For two subsets, the number of elements in their union is expressed in this form. We are to get this part. Number of students that played both games. The union is 34 equal to 18 plus 26 minus S. If you transfer S to the left side, it becomes positive. 18 plus 26 is 44 minus. You transfer this, it is minus 34, and you have 10 as the intersection. Now, only basketball is 18 minus 10, that is 8, and only cricket ball is 26 minus 10. The number that played both games, you subtract it from those that played basketball initially. For you to get only basketball. You do the same thing to get only cricket ball. Example 30, 60 people went to restaurants. 25 of them ate rice, while 22 ate beans. If 8 ate rice and beans, how many people ate neither rice nor beans? Solution. Let arrow represents rice and B represents beans. So you have 60 people that went out. That becomes the universal set. Those that ate rice, they are 25. Those that ate beans, they are 22. Those that ate both food, that is the intersection, is 8. So this neither here means the complement of the intersection, and let that number be S. If you open the bracket with the intersection, it becomes arrow complement union B complement. That is the Morgan's law of set algebra. The solution continues. Already we have analyzed this information. Next thing is to draw the subset and so you have the rectangle for the universal set and two subset, arrow and beans. That is B, rice and beans. So this 8 is the intersection. Why this S outside? Those that ate neither food, they are outside. Next thing is to get only rice. So to get only rice, you have to subtract 8 from 25 to get only rice. That is this part like this. And to get only beans, you have to subtract 8 from 22. You get this part. I have already explained this. To get only rice, you subtract 8 from 25, you have 17. To get only beans, you subtract 8 from 22, you get 14. And this is S. So S is outside the subset. S is not involved. To get S, you have to add everything in the Venn diagram and equate it to 60. That is 17 plus 8 plus 14 plus S equal to 60. And that will give us number of those that ate neither of the food. So this is the addition. You have these results. To get S, you transfer 36 to the right hand side. You have it in this form, and you have 21. Thus, 21 people ate neither rice nor beans. Alternatively, you can as well use the formula for union of two subsets, and because S people ate neither rice nor beans, you subtract it from the universal set. So you have 60 minus S equal to 25. Those that ate rice plus 22. Those that ate beans minus 8. Those that ate both food. You have this result after simplifying the right hand side. You transfer S to the right, it becomes positive. You transfer 39 to the left, it becomes negative. After subtraction, S is equal to 21. Those that ate neither of the food. Example 31. In a class, 50 students take 1 or more of chemistry, physics, and biology. 18 take physics, 24 take biology, and 14 take chemistry. Nobody takes chemistry and physics, and 4 students take physics and biology. Roman figure 1, using set notation, write down the 2 statements in the last sentence. Roman figure 2, draw a Venn diagram to represent the information. Roman figure 3, how many students take both chemistry and biology only? This last question is 2 in 1. You have to take note of that. Solution. Let C represents chemistry, P physics, and B biology. From the question, the last sentence, nobody takes chemistry and physics. That means their circle must not meet. Hence, number of students that take chemistry and biology is an empty set because nobody takes both subjects. And also, number of students that take physics and biology, that is the intersection, is equal to 4. We proceed to draw the Venn diagram and answer the third part of the question. The solution continues. The union of the 3 subsets, which is the universal set, is equal to 50. Those that take physics, they are 18, biology 24, chemistry 14. Those that take physics and biology 4. Those that take chemistry and biology is unknown. So let S represent that number. Previously, those that take physics and chemistry, that is an empty set, so their circles must not meet. All right, so you have the 3 subsets. Those that take biology and physics, they are 4 in number. Those that take chemistry and biology, you have S. Next, we are to get only physics, only biology, and only chemistry to fill the Venn diagram. Here we have the filling of the Venn diagram. So those that take only physics is 18 minus 4. 18 minus 4. Those that take only biology is 24 minus 4. That is 20 minus S. That is what you have here. And those that take only chemistry, you have 14 minus S. And that is what you have here. In the last part of the question, you are asked to find number of students that take chemistry and biology only. Before then, you have to get S, and that is adding everything in the Venn diagram and you equate it to 50. That is the universal set. You have this result and this result. Therefore, S is equal to 2. From the diagram, those that take chemistry and biology, the number is equal to S, and S is 2. And those that take only biology is 20 minus S, that is 20 minus 2, equal to 18. Equal to 18. End of lesson 7. Thanks for following to the end. Don't forget, watch out for more from the voice of Peter Kos. If you are not saved, your life is in crisis, your life is in trouble. To avoid all of that, you have to give your life to the one that can save you, and that is the Lord Jesus Christ, and confess him as your Lord and personal Savior every day of your life. If you are saved already, congratulations. Live righteously and be prepared, because on the last day some will be taken and some will be left. Be good to yourself, stay out of trouble, study your books, do the needful at all times, flee every appearance of evil, don't defraud others to make money, find something good and genuine to do with your hands and your brain, and the Lord will bless you. Goodbye and stay tuned.